Morning everyone, welcome back to our golden ticket and shout out assembly for KS2. It's Friday the 5th of June. Really hope most of you had a brilliant half term and a rest, and it looks like, looking on Class Dojo, looking at all those things that you've been doing over half term, it absolutely looks that way. So well done everyone, really well done to have a nice rest. And actually what it looks like as well is everyone's then back in and working so hard this week. So amazing. So thank you everyone for all your posting on Class Dojo and everything that you've put on there, because you've just worked so hard this week. You've got lots of amazing superstars and lots of golden tickets to some amazing children this week. So we're kicking off in year 3, and you'll see, look at this white superstars. You've got Tyler, you've got Blake, you've got Ria, Botan, Abby, Claudia, Lila, Grace, Ruben, Iva, Harry, Amelia, Gemma and Oliver. Again, first thing I'm going to say is loads and loads of smiley faces. You are working so hard, and all the way through that, getting outside, enjoying the outside. Ria, what an amazing healthy lunch that looks like. I tell you, I'm very impressed with that. And then you've got Ivor there with all his brothers there. Really lovely to see. I keep talking about getting on with our siblings, and clearly the Prices are doing that every single day. So keep it up, guys, because I know how hard it is, but you are working so hard, every single one of you, so well done. I know Miss White found it really difficult this week to choose a golden ticket, but the golden ticket this week goes to Abby! Well done, Abby. Look at you, you absolute superstar. And you'll see some lovely comments there. Great attitude, helpful doing cooking. You've got there, working hard to her. Getting on, obviously, the big sis as well. So it's so good. You'll see every single photo you've got, you're posting, you're doing so much work every single day, Abby. This is so well deserved. The postman should be delivering this today. Look out for it in the post. It's got your name on it. Please, we're lovely to see a nice photo of you, nice smiley photo with this on Class Dojo, okay, hun? So really well deserved, Abby, you absolute superstar. I'm so proud of you. Moving on, we're on to Mr. Ackerman's class, and you'll see you've got Sapphire, Alicia, Dylan, Jessica, Mia, Reggie, Bella, Oliver, and Eliza, and everyone again getting outside, doing their reading, really enjoying the sunshine. Lots of activities there. Dylan with his new car, looks like a Ferrari. I'd like one of those, Dylan. So it looks really good. Does look like Reggie's playing a bit of golf, so Reggie, you'll have to let us know. Did you get that in? Because it looks like a really good putt there as well. So fantastic going on everywhere. Everyone working really hard. Sapphire as well, working really hard on your writing. I've seen lots of really good posts from you as well. Okay, so please keep it up. I know Mr. Ackerman found it very difficult, but one and only this week it goes to Racer, and you'll see Racer. This is really well deserved. Looks like you had a lovely time at half term as well, getting out to the beach, again keeping that social distancing, keeping safe. But you are posting so much work. Racer, I think this is your second one now in year 3. I just had a quick check, because I know before we went to lockdown, you won the golden ticket. So really well deserved, Racer. This is coming in the post today. Look out for the postman. It's got your name on it. Really well deserved. And again, it'd be lovely to see a photo of this on Class Dojo with you. Big smiles, right? Huge congratulations, Racer. Well done, hun. Moving on to year 4. And in year 4, you'll see Miss Barrett. Look at these superstars. You've got Connor, reading every day, Connor. Joe, Martin, Milana, Ashton, Freya, Kieran and Erica. And I know some of you even working through half term as well, when I said you could have a rest, but you just kept going, some of you. I know Miss Barrett was so impressed with that. So was I, actually. So brilliant work, guys. And still reading as well over half term, which was really lovely to see. Fantastic work. Again, Miss Barrett found it really difficult, but the golden ticket goes to none other than Ashton! Well done, Ashton. And I did a little check, and I've checked up your 3rd golden ticket in year 4. Your 3rd. You've got the hat trick. Well done, Ashton. I am so proud of you, buddy. You are working just as hard at home as you are at school, and that's what's really impressing me at the moment. Everything that's appearing on Class Dojo in your year 4s and with Miss Barrett is just fantastic. Well deserved, Ashton. This is coming to the post today. Look out for it. The postman we're bringing it. Huge congratulations. Let's see a nice photo of you on Class Dojo. Thumbs up on your third golden ticket. Well done, Ashton. Moving on, we'll move on to Mr. Pinner's class, and you'll see Mr. Pinner's superstars. You've got Oliver, Janisa, you've got Amelia, Nadia, Cornelius, Colby, Bart, Dragos, Bianca, and Gracie. Again, so much work. Mr. Pinner, again, over half term as well. And I've told most of you to have a rest, but you were out, you were doing working, you were doing some exercise, enjoying the weather, helping out Gracie there, doing the cooking. Lots and lots of really wonderful things that are going on. So superb. Most valuable player there, Dragos. Look at that. Superb. You absolute superstar. I know you've been doing that massively. So really impressing Mr. Pinner, and helping out with your class as well, because on that league table, doing really well there. Get Cornelius, big smiles again, lots of work there. And even Oliver doing a bit of a science experiment. So please do keep it up. But the golden ticket for Mr. Penny this week goes to Josh! Well done, Josh, you superstar. Look at this. Help me out, Dad. Does look like a bit of a flag for golf, that. Putting in a golf course in the garden, maybe. But absolutely, all the way through, Josh. It's fantastic to see you working so hard, helping out and just doing as much work as you possibly can. Hugely well deserved, Josh. This is coming in the post today. Look out for it, buddy. I'm so proud of you. Lovely smiley face as well, okay? Keep it up, buddy. Moving on, year 5. Year 5, look at these superstars. You've seen Miss Healy, look. You've got Chloe, Cody, Kyle, Frankie, Aston, Callum, Scarlett, and Jeffrey. And again, really working hard throughout. Callum, really lovely to see yourself, enjoying yourself at half term, enjoying the beach. Wonderful sandcastle in the background there. Okay, superb, really lovely. But again, Kyle, Frankie, so many of you doing so much work, so much reading. I know Miss Healy was very impressed. But there's one and only golden ticket this week goes to Scarlett! Well done, Scarlett, you absolute superstar. Look at you, out and about. And what I was really impressed with, Scarlett, I am so blown away, is going out litter picking out in the area. It just is so proud of you, because we always talk about looking after our environment, looking after school, but it's really lovely to see, because that bit for our community and keeping everything nice and tidy and clean. You deserve this so much. So thank you so much. You were such a superstar. And on behalf of the whole community as well, thank you for clearing up, tidying up and getting rid of litter as well. Look out, this is coming in the post to you today. Look out for the postman. It's really well deserved, Scarlett. Thank you so much. I'm so proud of you. Thank you. Moving on, and you'll see Miss Muscle White's superstars. You've got Leon, you've got Angel, you've got Ellie, Lola, Ella, Amelia, Jamie, and Julia. And again, all the way through, everyone enjoying themselves, nice smiley faces. Miss Muscle White said again how much work has gone on just in this week, and even through half term when I said have a rest, you were still posting on them. Some of you just getting a bit of extra work in. Not a problem, but it was an opportunity to relax and to rest. But the golden ticket this week goes to none other than Tedas! Well done, Tedas, you superstar. Just loads of smiley faces. It's lovely to see. I've seen you at school. Occasionally, Mum come to pick up more work because you're just working so much, getting through all of those packs. This is so well deserved, Tedas. You are working so hard. As I mentioned earlier, you're working as hard at home as you are at school. So really proud of you, buddy. Lovely to see you there, nice smiley, getting out at half term and enjoying the beach as well. Superb amount of work, just a phenomenal amount of work. Well deserved. This is coming in the post today. Look out for it, buddy. I'm so proud of you. Keep up that smiley face and keep up that amazing work. Well done. Moving on to year 6. And we start off with Mr. Davison Stars. You've got Leona, 11. God, turned 11 in the holiday. Look out. Okay, fantastic to see that lovely shirt there as well. You've got Harley, Olivia Marie. You've got Alyssa, Nicole, Amy, Tia, Shay, Matty, and Alfie. Lots of you getting outside, enjoying this half time, enjoying the weather, but actually as well, doing huge amounts of work and huge amounts of reading. That is fantastic. I know Mr. Davison was so impressed again over half term. Some of you again still posting things, still putting things on there. Well done, guys. But this week, the golden ticket goes to Mr. Davison. Bethany! Well done, Bethany. There she is. She's still at school because she's been at school for some days, but she's been working so hard as well at home. So huge congratulations, Bethany. This is so well deserved. It's coming in the post today to you, so look out for it. So when you get home, it should be there. Your name will be on it in an envelope. Well done, Bethany. Keep up the amazing work. I know you're reading every day. You're doing your maths. You're doing your writing. It's so good. So keep it up, hon. Huge congratulations. Well done. And finally, we move on to Miss Percy, Superstars. And you will see you've got Evelina, Mia, Jack, Ghislaine, Rachel, Maria, and Crystal. Again, reading every single day. There's so much reading. Maria, just phenomenal. Jack working hard. Evelina posting pages and pages of work that's going on. All of you working so hard. Rachel doing some more DIY. I mean, you know what you're going to do when you grow up. I tell you, you could be an odd job person, doing all the jobs possible, using drills, saws, all sorts going on there. And Ghislaine again, just working so hard and posting money. Crystal, they look amazing, they look really tasty. I want one. It's lovely to see all that cooking and baking that's going on, those lovely smiley faces. But the final golden ticket this morning goes to Stephen! Well done, Stephen, you superstar. Look at you. Absolutely so proud of you, buddy. You are working so hard all the way through. And it's really lovely to see you sharing that book with your sister and helping her with the reading, with her sounds and her blending. That was just superb. It's so lovely to see older siblings and younger siblings getting on so well, because that's one of the things that we need to, it's really, really important. Stephen, you absolute superstar. You've been working so hard. This is so well deserved, buddy. Please, post a nice picture on Plus Dojo of you with this. Big thumbs up, okay? Huge congratulations. This is coming in the post to you today, so look out for it. Well done, Stephen. Finally, final message from me. Obviously, stay safe, stay well, stay in. School is still closed at present. Until it is safe to open school, that is when I'll open school to more children. I will be letting you know. I'll be sending text messages out and letters out to let you know when that is. But at present, we still feel it's not safe to have more children back in school at present. So please just keep looking out for those messages, look out for those letters. They will be coming. Stay safe, stay well. Until next week, Friday the 12th of June. Bye-bye, everyone.